Hello guys, here is Paulo Fiorio. I am the founder of Coins2Learn, and on this video I want to show you how easy it is for you to start to follow any mentor on Coins2Learn. So basically the idea here is if you don't have time to do trades or you don't know how to do that in a profitable way, you can follow the profitable traders that are on Coins2Learn, right? So if you are seeing my screen now, you see that right here on the ranking, I have these traders. So this Ash, so he is doing 13,000 just this week. The second one, Hubel Burn, so he's doing 5,000. Of course, at the time that you will set your copy my mentor, this will be different because the ranking is upgrading on real time. However, you can see that are traders that are profitable. So why don't you start to follow these traders using your Binance account, right? Sounds like a perfect strategy. So let me show you how you can do that. So we just launched this feature, right? So it's copy my mentor. You click. Oops. Let me set my alarm off. Sorry guys. So we just set this feature called copy my mentor. So you have to click here on copy my mentor, right? And go on settings. And then on settings, will come this list. Let's say this instructions list, this to-do list. And we can go through the points, and then you following this, you can start to copy the traders that are selling their signals, right? So the traders who are selling their signals, they are receiving 10% of the profit. So you don't have any cost to use copy my mentor. However, if you have any profit, then you must pay 20%. Right, so 10% for Coins2Learn and 10% for the trader that is profitable, right? So for you start is very simple. You just have to follow these steps. So first thing, we'll click on enabling the future, right? So the system will load and everything's all right. So find a mentor, right? We can do this later. Register on Binance, create an account on Binance. You also need to verify your identity. So I already have my account. My account is ready, so I can just jump these steps, okay? And then I go here on the fourth step. Let's say this is the most important, right? So how I do this, I go here to, let's say, where is my, just a second, don't look like the page is loaded. Right here. Okay, so this is my account, and then I come here on API management, okay? All right, so I already have my my API created. I will create another one that is called Coins2Learn copy trade, okay? And then I click on create. And then it will ask me security verification. Okay, so I will send the code to my email, and then they also ask the two-factor. I will stop the video just for, let's say, security reasons, and I'll be right back once I get this code. All right, so now I enter my two-factor. I enter the code that they send me on my email, the email that I registered on Binance. All right, so now what I must do, I must come right here on the edit restrictions, right? So I come here and I copy this API key, and I paste right here. And also the secret key, don't share this to anyone. I'm not using this one, so that's why I'm sharing with you guys, okay? So I will save the change, and then the system will load, and the system will check if he can do this. Okay, so now we have here, okay. So we are good to go to the next step. What is the next step? Let's see. Select the trading mode, and choose between replicating trades on Binance in the exchange mode or the margin mode. Right, so we all know what is leverage, right? So people can trade a few more times, 1, 2, or 3 times, or even 5 times on Binance actually, the stack that they are having. So if you want to play more safe, you go to exchange. If you want to play on margin, then go on margin. So all the trades that the trader is doing, you are doing that with the margin also. Right, then you just click on Save Chains. So other thing that I have to do here, right? So after I copy the API and the secret key is enable, I must add the IP from Coins2Learn. Why I must do that? Because we don't want everybody or any IP going through your account or accessing your account. So this way we make sure that just the bot from Coins2Learn will access your account. That's why you need to copy this IP right here. Okay, and then you come here and then you confirm. All right, so now you can enable withdrawal, enable margin, and enable futures. All right. So now we are pretty much checked. You can see there is OK here. And that the balance on your account, I also have that. So this account already have a balance. So now it's pretty simple. I enable all the restrictions. We are good. I add the IP. We are good. And the withdrawals that we will do from your account is only 20% from your profit. So the day you don't have any profit, we don't withdraw nothing. So we are sharing just the profits with you, okay? So now I click on save. It will come for asking the code again. So I will pause again the video, security measures, and then we proceed. All right, so now we are good. The API, it's all good. All the restrictions are enabled. I add the IP only for Coins2Learn that you can see right here. So now my settings is finished. So I can choose the trader. So I come right here and copy my mentor, and then I go to marketplace. So let me see which traders are profitable this week. Oh, so I have this guy here, Rubble Barn. So he is actually with 50% ROI. Of course, we have like this huge bull run today, but all the traders, so we have many traders that are profitable and all with 20% performance fee, right? So what I will do now is I will click on follow my mentor. Let the seed load and see all the trades that he is doing, understand what is happening. So connecting our Binance account, right? And now I click right here on the left, okay? I have, this is my portfolio balance. This is the amount that I have on Binance right now. Right, so if you come right here on the fiat spot, you can see that. 351 plus 25, yeah. I probably have also on the margin. Okay. So how I will start to follow the trader itself right now? I will click right here on the trader that I choose, Miss Mia. Okay, and then I will enable, and he will start to choose the coins, the same coins that Miss Mia is doing. Okay, so the system will start to copy the portfolio that Mia have right there. So this is how it will work, and every day you will see from now on, every trader your mentor does here will be automatically executed on your account in the exchange you select. So choose your mentor while you can set this anytime. So right now the system will start to follow the trader, will start to copy the coins that Miss Mia is doing because I choose this trader, and it's pretty simple how you can do that, right? There is nothing just follow the instructions, and you can also start to follow these profitable traders. So all the traders that Miss Mia or your mentor, the mentor you choose, create on Coins2Learn, you also will do on Binance, right? So we are copying with real money, your money, what the profitable traders are doing on Coins2Learn. So if you have any question, please write to our support. You can find the need help here on the right side. And that's it for today. If you have any question, let us know. And thank you for your attention. And I hope to speak with you soon. Bye.